Real estate is a composite term that refers to land, the buildings on that land, and natural resources such as minerals and crops. Real estate can be grouped into three categories: 1. Residential, 2. Commercial, and 3. Industrial. The residential has to do with houses, condominiums, townhouses, and undeveloped land. At least 2/3 of top individuals and average persons in the Dubai own residential real estate. Commercial real estate has to do with offices, warehouse, and retail store buildings. They have shorter lease and large down payment as compared to the residential real estate. The industrial real estate include factories, mines, and farms. Unlike others, the immediate area where the property is located can drastically impact its value. Those factors include jobs, crime rates, school quality, property taxes. They can impact the value of industrial real estate. The profit from real estate actually come from rent and property appreciation. Most people invest in rental property to make